In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a Zoom meeting on a laptop. To get started, open the Zoom app on your laptop and join your meeting as you normally would. Once you're inside the meeting, look toward the bottom of the Zoom window. You'll see the meeting controls there, and one of the main options is share. Go ahead and click that to begin the screen sharing process. As soon as you click share, a new window will appear showing the different things you can present to everyone in the meeting. This is where you choose exactly what you want other participants to see. You can share your entire screen, which means everything visible on your laptop will be shown. This is useful if you need to switch between apps or move through several files during your presentation. You can also choose to share a specific window instead. For example, if you only want people to see a browser, a PowerPoint presentation, or a document, this option helps keep the rest of your desktop private and distraction-free. If your phone is connected, you may also see the option to share your phone screen. That can be helpful if you need to demonstrate something from a mobile device. On the left panel, you'll also have different view setup choices for how the shared content appears. Depending on your Zoom layout, you can select content only as a background, over the shoulder, or side by side. These options change how your content and your camera view are arranged, so choose the one that best matches the kind of presentation you're giving. Before you start sharing, take a moment to look at the optional settings, especially if you plan to play a video or use audio. You can check the box to share sound, which allows meeting participants to hear audio coming from your laptop. There's also an option to optimize for video sharing. This can improve playback quality when showing video content, making the viewing experience smoother for others. Once you've selected what you want to share and adjusted any settings you need, click Share to start presenting your screen. And that's it. Your screen is now being shared in the Zoom meeting. If you want the smoothest experience, it's always a good idea to decide in advance whether you want to share your full desktop or just one window, especially if you're presenting to a group. That way your screen share stays clear, focused, and professional.